Let's go with this guy. Hi, Freddy. Do you have 2 minutes?
Always.
Hey guys, are you guys busy? So I'm gonna show you my current edit and see if you guys like it or not.
Oh, what? I'm
Oh.
like, what the? Holy shit!
Oh, dang.
This is how it should look.
Lies.
I don't really like it when people go over the top of Photoshop.
What? We don't fake stuff.
Can you teach me how to lie?
No luck. We've been here for an hour looking up for the right motorbike.
This is right.
Yeah, congratulations. Okay, so where are you going today?
I have no idea. How do you pronounce it?
Bukit Cinta. Okay, holy moly, that was everything. 80 kilometers driving in very early morning and we made it to the spot. That's the massive Mount Agung. It's very foggy, but I mean, I still love it. Dude, we made it. Yes.
Pretty good actually.
Let's go on an adventure. Dang. Get the likes, get the followers. No, I'm kidding. Get the experience. Oh my god, look the color. That's Wahyu's color. Oh my god, guys. We got companies there. I don't like when people got here. I guess they're from Instagram as well. Like Instagram couple, something like that. And he's now trying to find a perfect angle and spot. What are you up to?
Getting a story for
Insta story?
There's a lot to do. Snapchat, Instagram stories, yeah, drones, cameras, pictures, videos. Okay guys, we just wrapped up shooting. We got the shots and here's the before and after.
Hey, this is the final edit. And now I'm about to show this edit to my friends at the villa. I'm so nervous. Hey guys, are you guys busy?
Well,
I need your 2 minutes to review my picture.
2 minutes? That's
Yeah, it's a shot from the volcano.
Yeah.
Take it. Take a look.
That's beautiful.
ooh,
I like it.
You can like hold it.
it.
You like that?
Holy shit! It's way better than mine.
Oh,
It's really good.
it's really good.
Yeah.
So you were there like 3 days ago, right?
Yeah.
And you didn't get the volcano. Well, did you see the mountains when you were there, or was it foggy?
no,
It was very foggy.
it was just clouds.
So you were not lucky.
I wish my picture would look like that.
Is it?
Seriously.
Because you didn't get the volcano when you were there?
Yeah, but also the colors and the editing is
Okay,
good.
thanks. Okay, but then now I'm gonna show you the original picture before edit, and let's see
Okay, let's
how
check
you
it
guys
out.
react. You can swipe right. Can you swipe left?
But
Oh,
swiping left means I don't like it. I learned it on Tinder. If I like it, I
yeah.
have to swipe right.
Right. No, actually right. Actually swipe right.
Swipe right.
Swipe right.
That doesn't look like the same photo at all.
Then swipe
That was
left.
amazing, dude.
Swipe left.
Oh.
Oh, what?
Taps. This is fake AF.
Dang, dude, you brought out the rice field so well.
What? That's what you comment on? You don't comment on the fact
On the
that he
volcano.
photoshopped the volcano? He
Whoa!
looks at the rice field.
Where's the volcano come from?
So that's freaking photoshopped.
Respect, but still, it's good.
What do you think about like lying to people, manipulating the people by photoshopping something?
Well, it's a fair Photoshop, I would say that, because the mountains is actually there. So it's not really deceptive, you just You just brought it to life. That's what I would say.
The only times you should use Photoshop is to clear something up, or to not necessarily. So, like for example, your volcano is the correct size. It's in the correct placement. You didn't move it. You didn't enhance it or anything like that. It's there. That volcano is there in that spot. It's just you can't see it because of the clouds. So I think that's honest. I think that's complete honesty. If anything, you're just helping the viewer to see what's actually there more clear.
Photoshopping picture has become a routine for most of the content creators on Instagram. I personally support and take this thing as an art, as long as we don't change the object too far as how it looks like in real life. So people who comes to a spot after seeing our picture will have the same expectation. Okay guys, that is all we have for today. Thank you so much for following the last 2 days with me and Romeo.
I hope you guys sing.
Because that is what's there.
Do you want to see my Photoshop?
Yeah.
Do you want to see my Photoshop?
Oh my God, Fred, did you just crop dust me?
This one's a lot more realistic though.